So naka-amigo or maybe naka-amiga and then dili pa kay kanila tagdo no, and if naga sila kailangan sa imuha then tawgon pa din kanila no, sayo na kay kanila tawgon no, and then ikaw sa taon tagad sa dayon ka, di ba? Pero kung ikaw na gani una mo tagad then wala kasad sila no, dead makasag ka no, kay experience ka na.
Hi, this is Owen, and this is Imoha Podcast.
So let's talk about bag of interest, self-interest, and selfishness. But before that, let's hear our sponsors. Kabalo ko, daghan kitag mga encounter about self-interest, no? And then we have also a bad perception about this kind of self-interest, no? Makaingon kita na, after all, it's about self-interest with the gihapon, no? Everything na imong buhaton, it's all about self-interest. Well, yeah, sakto. Technically, sakto ka, but let's talk about that one. And kasabot jud kay ko ana ano inana ang imuhang perception is because katong nako sa cruise ship before, no? Actually, nauso tong I don't care nga term sa una, no? And bisag unsa mong buhaton atong panahon na, then moingon mi na I don't care, di ba? Kung unsay perception mo sa ako, unsay mong pananaw sa ako, unsay mong masulti, malate ba ko or absent ba ko, I don't care, wala ko pa kininyo, di ba? After all kanina contract pag human ani, then anyway, di na ta magkita na, di ba? And nasa gi mga butang pod na makaingon pod na bisan tug makasulti tag I don't care, but actually mo care ba gid data? And that's the time I came to realize that I think people don't care the things that they're not so interested in, no? Mo nang makaingon ko sa unang aton ba na I keep my own interest and I don't care the rest. I keep those things within the circle of my interest. And the rest, dili na ko na siya hilabta, no? And nagigiingon na dili na to makontrol ang tanang butang, no? Nagi mga butang na sobra na kayo na dili na ginato makontrol sa atong kinabuhi. And napagisulti po nila na you cannot boil the entire ocean, di ba? Saan man, di ba? Dili nimo na kaya kadakuan na, di ba? And that's behind your interest. That's behind your circle actually. Most probably makapangutana mo unsa may naa sa circle of interest, di ba? Well, siguro na inyong loved ones. For sure, na inyong mga loved ones na imong kwarta, maybe imong pagkatulog, maybe imong happiness for sure, imuhang laag, imuhang trabaho, and imuhang oras for sure. Or maybe in your friends, or anything na imuhang kon, maybe your hobby also, no, na pwede na mo ibutang ang imuhang interest din na. Or maybe we could say that one as a bag of interest instead of a circle of interest. We could also say that one as a bag of interest, no? Ibutang na to mga butang sa ato ang mga bag na interesado ta. So that bag of interest, that's your everyday carry, and the rest ana ibili na nimo siya. It's because you're not so interested with those kind of things, diba? So mo na siya bag of interest, no? And what is self-interest, by the way? So maybe makaingon ta na ba na sa trabahuan or maybe sa politika, no? Na nagiusahay makaingon ta, well, unsa may makuha na ko ani, diba? Or lahi-lahi gitag mga self-interest, diba? Mga siya, lahi yang interest, lahi akong interest, and after all, it's a self-interest. And siguro munang makaingon siguro mo na it's because it's so common in the workplace gid na inana gid na siya, diba? And yes, I agree na nagay mga inana ng mga tao, na nagay mga self-interest ng mga tao, and bisag ikaw siguro, napugay mo self-interest, no? But please, don't be mistaken about the self-interest and the selfishness, okay? So meaning, ang self-interest, so nagita na tanan, diba, about self-interest, no? And that's really good. Like for example, I will give you something valuable and something useful. But also in exchange, you can also give me something useful and something valuable para sa ako, di ba? That's self-interest, right? Like for example, ikaw interesado ka ani and I'm interested with this one, and maybe let's exchange that one, di ba? So more of a ginana, di ba? Like for example, nagdala ka sa imong bag of interest and then nakita-anti ka sa dalan, and then taga-anti ka something valuable in your journey. And then in exchange also, you give me something valuable as I go on to my journey, right? So, unsa may tawagan na? That's both self-interest. We have both self-interest, right? After all, it's like a trading, right? Like more of a taga-trade or barter kung tawag nila, no? So, let's trade value to value na lang, di ba? And if ever taga-anti kag valuable things, but you're not so interested with this thing, no, na akong ihatag sa imo, for sure dili gyud mo tagto na. It's because it's not really valuable para sa imo, diba? So mabag-inana og gina siya. But selfishness on the other hand is really different. Meaning naglimos ko nimo, no, as sa katong example na to na nakita anti kas dala, no. So mo og nang limos nimo as you go on to your journey. Wala koy nahatag na exchange, wala koy nahatag na good value para sa imo. Unless siguro kung nakakay mo video like ka ng mga poverty porn, no, na manghatag sila mga kwarta para sa mga limos, pero after all the ay na sila gyapoy makuha nga interest mo, self-interest gyapon sila mo na gitawag lag poverty porn, di ba? So i-videohan nila ilahang gipang buhat para na sila makuha nga interest. So muna siya ginana pagit sa self-interest. Kana makita niyo sa YouTube, so usa na siya sa mga inana, no. I will not talk about poverty porn, no. And actually, this is about self-interest, no. So, same po na siya kung naka sa trabahoan, di ba? Kung sige kag trabaho, pero wala ka sweldo, di ba? that's selfishness. Or maybe I could say mga kawatan gina sila, no? Sige ra kag trabaho pero wala ka sweldohi, di ba? Murag gikawat ang imong time, gikawat ang imong skills, gikawat ang imong value as a tao, and daghan kay gipangkawat sa imong as a person, no? And mo na siya makaingon ko nga kawatan, or maybe that's selfishness. But if ever magani nagisweldohan ka nga sakto, and then sakto ka sa mugbayad, agree mo ani nga presyo, then that's both self-interest, right? So meaning I need your service and you need my money. So baga sweldo ta, barter ta. So same thing, inana lang gina siya. So both are the same self-interest, right? Maybe siguro in other scenarios, no? Maybe people ask you for help. Yes, usahay makahatag kita sa mga butang na wag yung kag free service. Why? It's because there's what we call that one as a relational capital, meaning we have that good relationship with other people, right? And maybe because there are our friends, right? Or maybe muna siya itong mga families, di ba? And also, maybe they're also already inside of our circle of interest or our bag of interest, right? So mag nasod na sila sa atuang interest, then dili ta maglisod og decide if tagaman na to siya free service or unsa ba na, no? It's because you're so invested with that kind of interest already, right? So muna siya. So keep your own interest and don't care the rest. Depende sad sa imo kung unsa gid kadako nimong bag of interest, no? Like for example, kung imuha man ganing bag, quote unquote, na murag pitaka ra sa kadako, no? Meaning ang masudo sa nimo ana mga sinsilyo ra sad. Pero sayno sa kay nimo dala-dala, no? Gaan ra kaayo, less worry, di ba? Masudo nimo sa bulsa. Meaning, dili po kaana kadaghan nga interest masud mo ana. Kay pita ka ra man kadakon, gamay ra man sa kay imong bag, di ba? Pero ang imuha magaling bag of interest mo ba sa kadakon sa kanang mga backpackers or maybe sa kanang mga mountaineers o mga baby kanang mga luggages, no, kanang mo biyahe yung dako-dako, no. Meaning dako jud ka or daghan kag masud ana na mga interest. And but again, bugat-bugat sa lagi, di ba? So dili ka ana ka paspas sa imong journey, dili ka mobilize, dili ka ana ka flexible sa imong gustong buhaton. It's because bugat man siya. And daghan kag mga bitbiton, di ba? It's really up to you if you really want to expand your bag or your circle of interest, no, just to cater the bigger interests or maybe just to cater other things. Papalang gyud ibutang na mo sa imong bag. It's really up to you. Wala dili na ta kakuha na. It's because again, we have different interests. Like siguro sa akong previous episode nakaingon ko ato sa una ba na wala kay mohilak na mga tao tungod kay namatay na bata sa Africa tungod kay wala sila tubig, di ba? I think for sure wala jud kaning hilak ato. Yes, guultod kayo na story. But again, maybe it's outside of your circle, di ba? Maybe you're not the direct family. For sure, dili gina, di ba? And yes, we hear their struggles, we hear their stories. But dili kita na ka-affected is because, or maybe that's outside of our interest, right? Unless siguro if you create that kind of charity or unsa bag diha, no, and then that's the time siguro na you put them inside of that circle or your bag, something na, diba? Wag inana lang, no. Hopefully naka-gets mo sa ako ang pasabot about the bag of interest, no. And just a quick recap lang about the self-interest and the selfishness. Self-interest is actually a value-to-value exchange, and selfishness is taking valuable things without any exchange, diba? In short, kawatan, diba? Harsh kay ko sa word nga kawatan, no. But anyway, lastly, for sure na naisulod ang imuhang bag of interest, no. And wala ko kabalo kung sa nakakadakon ang imuhang bag. And maybe try to recall na lang kung sa na din, ha. And then let's say daghan na jud kaayo, no. And makaingon ko, kaya pa ba na, diba? Kaya pa ba nimo na dadon? Or kailangan na ba nimo na siya kanang tangtangan na po ng uban para di pud kay ka ana ka bugat na mo padayon kasi imong journey or sa imuhang unsay gusto nimong buhaton, di ba? And maybe you try to reflect also the content of this episode, no, about what made you interested of this kind of particular things, no, or maybe of this kind of person, di ba? If it's really interested, then you still have that space siguro sa imong kaugalingon or maybe sa imong bag na pwede naman sila isulod. Right? So maybe kana lang yun. Maybe you try to reflect that one also. And I think dahil lang siguro matapos ang episode, no? And if you think my content have value in your life or maybe of your daily grinds, adlaw-adlaw nimo, no? Every time maminaw ka din, so please, give us some valuable things as well, no? The feedback is really a great way to start. Asa mi pwede maka-improve. Or maybe you can show us some love by following our channel, no? Ang social media channel from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, buymeacoffee.com, Spotify, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, and the rest of the podcasting platform kung asa may available, no? So please, you can always join us. And if ever mangani na this episode have the value to other listeners, then please share also this kind of episode like a gift na lang sa ibang mga kaila, sa ibang mga kauban, no? And gusto na ko na at least even offline, you can also discuss this one with other your friends, no? And I think that's really the best way to consume a kind of podcast, no? And then after listening, you can also discuss that one offline, no, or to the other person. So just in case ganahan ka mo discuss ani, you're always welcome to this one. And also, if you really want to open a discussion, then you can always comment kung asa gid dapita and gusto nimong pangutana, or maybe gusto nimong clarification, or maybe na kay gustong isulti about this kind of topic. Okay? And again, salamat kayo siyang papaminaw about the bag of interest, no? And ayaw kalimti lang basta maglimpyo, magluto, manghugas, manglaba, magkaon, mag-inusara. Kaya na podcast para sa Emoha. I'll see you in the next episode, and I always love you. Thank you very much, and bye-bye for now.